Hello YouTube. It is Berbazooka. How to cure a cold fast. The experts gave helpful tips. We all do not like to get sick, miss important meetings and reschedule interesting events. And with the onset of autumn cold weather, human immunity falls, viruses are activated, and the season of colds and snot begins, from which there is no escape. What can you do in order not to get sick or to speed up your recovery? Obviously, drink plenty of fluids. We all remember when in childhood we were ill, mothers or grandmothers made us tea, black, herbal or green, with lemon, honey or raspberry jam. However, its medicinal properties are too exaggerated. The myth is that tea alone will not cure a viral disease, but a hydrated body will cope better with the disease than a dehydrated one. Plus, lemon and honey are rich in vitamins. Note that lemon is a storehouse of vitamin C, and honey contains vitamins A, C, E, group B, pp, as well as potassium, iodine, phosphorus, iron, calcium, magnesium, so the benefits of this product for the body are obvious. However, you should limit yourself to just a couple of spoons of honey. Tip: do not add honey to a hot drink, but eat it in small portions as a bite. Its beneficial properties are lost when heated above 40 degrees Celsius, and at 680 degrees Celsius it forms oxymethylfurfural, a product of the destruction of sugars with carcinogenic properties. How to quickly cure a cold. Ventilate the room well, maintain optimum humidity. If you feel weak or have a fever, stay in bed. For sore throat, gargle often with water, baking soda and salt. Drink plenty of fluids. If you just feel the first signs of a cold, pour 1.5 liters of warm water and dissolve a tablespoon of coarse table salt in it, then cut the lemon and squeeze the juice out of 1/2, then add it to the water as well. After that, stir everything thoroughly and add 1 gram of ascorbic acid and mix again. You should take such a drink 2-3 hours before bedtime. You should drink all 1.5 liters of liquid, slowly, gradually. The drink should be moderately warm, but not hot. Such a drink should alleviate the patient's condition and relieve the primary symptoms of the disease. We also recommend rinsing your nose with salt water. If nasal congestion and swelling appear, unfortunately, you cannot cope without vasoconstrictor drops. If you do not feel better, we recommend that you do not delay, but immediately contact your general practitioner or family doctor. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.